Does your business really need a sales funnel? Now, a sales funnel is a concept which was popularized over the last decade by Russell Brunson, the founder of ClickFunnels, where he is essentially the founder of ClickFunnels software, and he created this concept of the funnels where he would have a landing page. Either it would be a sales page or a landing page to capture emails with followed up email automation and then kind of convert them into long term buyers, right? That was essentially what his concept of funnels was. But the concept of funnels as a whole, it's essentially, it's a very old marketing concept. There's nothing new about it. Russell Brunson simply popularized it and made it his own, and kind of became a category name that funnels is associated with Russell Brunson, the click funnels. But funnels as a whole, it's applicable for each and every business, and whether you know it or not. So the question now becomes not whether you need the funnels or not, but how do you optimize the funnel. Now let me explain you what the funnel exactly is. The funnel essentially refers to the step-by-step process which any new potential lead goes through to eventually become your buyer. Let me repeat that again. A funnel is a process which every lead potentially goes through to eventually become your buyer. So it starts with sharing the contact information in the form of email address or a phone number or whatever might be the case. Then a series of automations, email automations, SMS or WhatsApp automations which go to the person on a regular basis where they are indoctrinated about what you're offering. Then it goes into series of stages where you kind of discuss your proposal with them. You first understand what their exact requirement is, what they want, what they don't want, get the entire thing ready. Then you kind of pitch your proposal to them. Then you follow up with them on a regular basis to kind of eventually ensure that they are converting into your business. So this is a linear flow which is typically followed by most businesses. Now the question becomes, do you have it actually mapped out and do you know what the funnel looks like? Most businesses they don't even have a clue regarding the same, that a process like this even happens in the business. They subconsciously know that there is a step by step process which kind of goes through, but it's not visually mapped in front of them. Because of that, what happens is they don't know what the process looks like. They don't know what to optimize, and that is where a physical manifestation of a business funnel becomes extremely important, where if you can see that each and every stage, at what stage the leads are in your entire system, right? If you know that these many number of leads have given the contact which have translated to this many customers where you've done the initial discovery call, then this many customers they've actually done your pitch presentation call, then this many customers you actually send them the actual proposal, and this many customers have eventually converted, right? If you have this mapped into a physical funnel, it becomes far more easier to understand what stage of the funnel the business is, which funnel is working, which steps of the funnel are working, which steps of the funnel are not working, which needs to be optimized further, which needs to be improved further. With that kind of clarity in hand, you can then significantly go and improve the process of the entire funnel so that you end up generating more revenues. Having it physically mapped down becomes extremely important. That is where having like a CRM goes a long way, where you can track each and every contact that you have in your business, each and every potential lead that you have. If you have like a few 50 100 leads, then you can potentially manage that from just your contact details. But if you have more than that and you need to actively manage what the status of each and every one is, what do you need to follow up with them, what do you need to communicate with them, a CRM is an absolutely vital tool for every small business to ensure that they are in touch with the right contacts at the right point of time, and they're constantly following up with them on a regular basis, because without that it's absolutely impossible to stay in touch with thousands of contacts and figuring out what they would do at what they would need at what point of time. That's where CRM becomes extremely important, and you combine that with the Kanban board where you are tracking the movement of the leads on a regular basis, and eventually after a certain point of time these Kanban boards can be customized depending on what the status of the business is, what the process is applicable in your business. You move them accordingly, and that will give you an idea regarding how the system works and how you're getting more clients and how you can optimize each stage of the funnel. So it's extremely important to get these track on board, and if you need help with terms of implementing any of this into your business, reach out to me on LinkedIn. Would be happy to help you set this up within your business so that you can actually physically monitor the status of each and every lead within your business. So I hope you found this video valuable. Looking forward to see you in the next one. Thank you.